All right. My first video on this build of the X302. It hadn't been painted yet. I still got some more painting to do. Um, but since the last video, I've doubled up the wing. As you can see, it's got some shape to it. Um, the very tail, I've done a little bit of painting to give it some character. Um, the thrust nozzles, I've been able to give it more shape to it. As you can see, the sides. So if you get a front view here. The last video also had on the aileron and the elevators, they had tape going across that were my hinges, which I didn't like. So I got hinges for these, which made it operate a lot better. And if you could see real closely, I've been able to put some rivet marks on it, so it gives it a little bit more of a real look to it. And I started doing some custom painting. As you can see, I put the star on it, which was not very easy when you want to make the star symmetrical, which I think the way they show on most planes, star on this wing goes on the top, then the star will go on the bottom of this wing. This is the other half of the middle thrust nozzle, which, if you look, I'll be putting the 90 millimeter right in here, and then I'll be putting this on top. So hopefully it'll be strong enough to be able to push this thing. So there you go. Landing gear, very long. From here, from the bottom of the belly of the plane to the bottom of the tires, 9.5 inches. So still got some more to do, just so you get an idea of the size. So that's what it looks like. And then belly. I was able to put some air intakes on the outside thrust nozzles for looks. And so if we were to set this thing on the ground, that's about what it will look like. So I can't wait to get this thing in the air. So imagine this thing coming at you. So I'm hoping to get the CG correct on this, since the wing is a very awkward shape. So kind of moves forward If you were to draw a straight line from this tip to the other tip, it runs about the same as the front nose of this fuselage. Uh, they say the thickest part of the wing is about where the CG is. Well, the thickest part of the wing is about right here. So I'm hoping to be able to correct the CG in this and see, you know. Got some painting still left to do on this thing, but we'll see what happens. There you go.